Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and handy guide on how to set your Discord status to auto-clear by the end of the day. Whether you want to let your friends know what you're up to without leaving a permanent status, or just keep things fresh and updated, this feature is perfect for you. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your phone or computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready to customize your profile. Once you're in, look towards the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and tap on it. Tapping your profile picture opens up your user settings and status options. Right next to your profile, you'll find the Set Status button. This is where you can create a new status message or update your current one. Tap on Set Status to proceed. Now, here's the key step. After you've typed out your status or chosen an emoji, look for the option labeled Clear After. This is the setting that controls how long your status stays visible before it disappears automatically. Tap on Clear After, and you'll see several timing options. To make your status clear by the end of the day, select Today. This means your status will remain visible until midnight, and then it will automatically clear itself without you having to do anything. It's a great way to keep your status relevant and avoid having outdated messages lingering on your profile. And that's it. Your Discord status is now set to auto-clear by today. This simple feature helps you stay connected and expressive while keeping your profile neat and up to date. Feel free to experiment with different statuses throughout the day, knowing they'll reset automatically. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your fresh, auto-clearing Discord status. Don't forget to check back for more tips and tricks to make the most out of your Discord experience. See you next time.